Then, once you're done, you have two options on how you're gonna use this thank you page. So, una is to download it as a PDF format. Okay. Hit download, choose PDF standard. PDF standard because we need to make sure that the links are clickable. Okay. If you're gonna choose PDF print kasi, more likely, hindi mo makaklik yung link. And then download it. That's the first one. That's the first option. And then the second one is to publish the website. But you can only do this kapag may Canva Pro subscription ka. Hit publish. And then, usually kasi, ma-access ng customer mo ito. Kung gusto mo ma-access ng customer mo via link, itong thank you page mo. Pero kung hindi naman, in- exporting it into PDF file will be okay na. So that's it.